So guys, if your Valorant is stuck over here on the updating, the easiest solution for this, the first thing you need to just make the end task manager, go into the end task manager, just disable all these services from here in that end task. The second thing, just click on the Windows icon, type cmd and then go run as administrator. Now here you need to type here the two commands sc delete vgc and the second sc delete VGK. Now after this, make sure to restart your PC. And one more thing you need to do here now, just the folder and then program files. Find here the Riot Vanguard and shift delete. Now if it's not deleting, then just click on the tray icon first and uninstall the Vanguard. Click on yes. Once it's closed from here, just right click and shift delete. And after doing this, just launch your Riot client. Now simply you will see again here the update button. Just click on the update and this time your problem will be fixed 100%. But still if you are facing, just let me know in the comment section. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.